Does your family budget feel like a guessing game every month? Like you're playing hide and seek with your money and it's winning? You're not alone. Stick around and we'll create family-focused financial goals that are simple, realistic, and actually work. For families, juggling bills, groceries, and the kids' activities can feel like herding cats. Everything's everywhere and nobody's listening. Did you know the average household struggles to save more than $500 for emergencies? It's not just about money. It's about having the peace of mind so you can focus on what matters most, your family. The good news, there's a way out, and it's easier than you think. So imagine this. Your bills are paid, your savings are growing, and there's money left over to plan that trip to Disney where you'll spend a small fortune in churros, but hey, it's worth it. So picture the relief of not scrambling when the car breaks down or the water heater calls it quits. Family-focused financial goals create stability, freedom, and the future you can actually look forward to. So let's take a look at 3 whys, okay? So here's why family-focused financial goals matter, okay? Number 1, why it matters. So every dollar you save gets you 1 step closer to your dreams, big or small, okay? Number 2, why it works. Having a clear, focused plan turns financial chaos into calm, right? So number 3, why now? Time is on your side, but only if you start today. The sooner you take action, the faster you'll see results, all right? Let's keep it simple with the SMART goal setting, okay? So, number 1, pick a specific goal, like saving $1,000 for emergencies, all right? Number 2, make it measurable. Say saving $50 every paycheck, okay? Number 3, ensure it's achievable based on your income, all right? Number 4, keep it relevant to your family's priorities. Number 5, set a time frame, like 3 months to hit that goal. So here's the thing, whether you're starting with $10 or $100, you're moving forward, right? Think of it like climbing a hill, 1 step at a time, with fewer gasps for breaths the higher you go, okay? Look, I get it. Budgets are boring and saving money can feel impossible. But here's the truth, okay? Progress is progress, no matter how small. Whether you start with $5, $10, $50, or just canceling 1 extra subscription, every step matters. You're building momentum, you're building confidence, and a future where money worries don't steal your peace. So let's take a look at a family scenario, okay? So take the Johnsons, for example. They started by saving just $10 a week, cutting out 1 drive-through coffee run, right? So 6 months later, they had $240 saved and used it to replace a flat tire without pulling out a credit card. Now, they're saving $25 a week for their next family vacation. It's all about simple steps that add up, because even a snowball starts as a snowflake, right? So let's take a look at some additional benefits, okay? So setting family-focused goals transforms more than your bank account, right? So less stress, right? So no more late night worries about bills, more bonding, work together as a family to achieve shared dreams. Freedom. Use your money for what matters, like creating memories, okay? Not just paying bills, okay? Better health. Lower financial stress means better sleep, focus, and a peace of mind, okay? A lasting legacy. Teach your kids what's possible when you plan ahead. So what's one financial goal your family has been dreaming about? Maybe a trip, maybe a new home, or a stress-free emergency fund. Share it down in the comments and let's make it happen together. Who knows? Your goal might inspire someone else to take their first step too. When you hit that first goal, whether it's saving $50 or $500, celebrate it. Dance in the kitchen, grab a pizza night, or just do a happy little fist bump. So every win counts, okay? I want you to take a second to appreciate the progress you've already made, showing up, trying, and planning for your family's future. That's not small, it's powerful, okay? So here's your challenge. Sit down with your family tonight and write down one smart financial goal. Start small, like saving $20 this week, okay? It's about progress, not perfection, okay? Your family's dreams are worth it, and so are you. So let's take a look at a recap. Financial chaos doesn't have to rule your family's life, okay? Start with one small, clear goal, okay? Take consistent action and celebrate your wins. That's how you turn dreams into reality. Remember, success is about juggling everything at once. It's about automating, managing, and dominating step by step. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in my next one.